How to recover tabs after Chrome crash. Step 1. Open Google Chrome again. If Chrome detects a crash, it may automatically show a restore button. Click to bring back all your tabs instantly. Step 2. If the restore prompt doesn't appear, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus T on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus T on Mac. This keyboard shortcuts reopens your most recently closed tabs, and you can press it multiple times to go back further. Step 3. You can also click three dots in the top right corner. However, history, and you'll see a section labeled recently closed. Click on any tab or group to restore it. To make sure Chrome always bring back your tabs after a restart, go to Settings on Startup and select Continue where you left off. And that's it.